Hi, my name is Cindy, and today I wanted to show you some of the amigurumi projects I have been making. One of the things I really love to make are dragons. On a website called Ravelry, I found a really great pattern by Lucy Collins, and it's for the eggs and the little baby dragons inside. I just really enjoy this one because with the way the eggs are, you can decorate them, the color combinations, and how well the little dragons kind of tuck inside. And the dragon pattern is really easy to follow. Just so many variations you can do. I added the little arms and did some beadwork down the back just to change it up, make every dragon unique and give it, its own personal touch. And I just think the patterns are easy to follow and well done. I decided to go ahead and try seeing if I could come up with my own little pattern design. This one's real simple. Simple little spikes down the back, a tail that's a little too long. The wings are just more of a leaf style horn, but some cute kind of big eyes and just kind of give them a cute little friendly look. This dragon is a bit more cartoony. He's just a little ball with some feet. I took the Lucy Collins pattern, wing pattern style, and then just added the little bumps down the back and a little tail for him. And I just kind of like the way he looks. He looks friendly and just kind of huggable. I have a Disney Princess crochet kit, and I tried Merida. Went a little overboard with the curls, but the curls help her stand up really well, so it's kind of a happy accident. She's got her little bow, her quiver, and then I put a couple little broken toothpicks in to kind of act as the arrows for her quiver. And if you look on the back, yeah, I kind of overdid it, but I don't know, it was kind of fun to make, and she's just really well known for those curls, so it kind of worked out. Then I took the Rapunzel pattern and I tweaked it a little, and I tried to make my own version of the Queen of Hearts. The crown is just a bead that I painted yellow and put a little heart gemstone on, little toothpick with some little heart gemstones on there. Same with on her bodice, and I just think it was kind of fun. It just makes the pattern book go even further if you can kind of add into your own little designs. And again, a little crazy on the curls, but I don't know. She was just kind of fun to make, and I was just trying to kind of be original. Now I know Star Wars, it's hit or miss on whether or not you like the porg. I love him. So from Studio Crafty on YouTube, I found a little version of this and decided to make one of my own. He doesn't sit up the best, but I think he's kind of cute. Now there's another YouTuber, Louis Loops, and he does like a lot of things from like video games. And so this is the Legend of Zelda Fairy in a Bottle. And I thought it was just such a neat, simple little idea, but really effective. And Legend of Zelda was one of my favorite games growing up. And then I had another little bottle, so I made a miniature version. It kind of curled up with the wings because the little fairy's bigger than the bottle kind of allows for, but another cute little version. And then I've been trying to work on some smaller projects just to kind of get a feel for them, so I made this little donut today. And I was going for a bag charm, but I think I actually made it small enough that this one could be just like a little keychain. And that's kind of what I've been working on. I got some other projects that are kind of waiting to be finished, but I wanted to show you a few things I had around my craft room. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.